of all, this question is here, October 2020, and first variant. And what a question is, he said in this expansion, coefficient of x to power 6 and x to power 3 are equal. So it means, what is technique? So first of all, you know it how to expand it. 6C0, two brackets, 6C1, two brackets, 6C2, two brackets. I don't know. Okay, for example, whenever you don't know what to do, you just keep expanding and look at it. I'm writing as it is. A over x comes here, and 2x to power 2 comes here, and a over x comes here. And all of you know the 6 and 0 difference comes up. So 6 minus 0 is 6, and 0 goes up directly. And 6 and 1 subtract, you got a 5 comes up, and here 1. And 6 minus 2, you got a 4, 4's come here, and this 2 comes directly. Keep your eye, you're looking for x6 and x3 term. So I think so is very clear approach. 6 twos are 12. I repeat, 6 twos are 12, 12 coming here. 6, 5 twos are 10, and here 10. Out of 10, 1 gone, 9. 4 twos are 8. Out of 8, 2 gone, so 6. So x to power 6 is coming in this. It means I will expand one more working. Maybe I'll get my required third term as well. 6C3. So if I apply here, let's see what happens. 2x to power 2 and 6 minus 3, I get 3. And here a over x to power 3 goes directly. Check it here. 3 twos are 6. And here x to power is 3. And out of 6, 3 gone 3. It means my answer is coming from here and from here. Okay. As I said before, if this answer chances to utilize in next part, which I can feel it, yes, I have to use it, then best idea, you will solve every term. But if you think that this is not utilized in next part, then only you solve your required terms only. Now I will solve full. 60 is 1 times 2. Something to power 0 is 1 here. Okay, and 2 to power 6 is 64, and 6 and power to power. Some students are weak in this topic, they don't know how to handle it. I help you. 2 to power 6 separate, and x to power 2 6 separate. Here I got a 64, and power to power multiply, I get 12. So 64 x to power 12. I think point is very clear now. 61 is 6, and here 2 to power 5 is 32, and 5 twos are 10 because power to power multiply, and times to a over x. Done. What is 62? 15 comes. You know it very well. 2 to power 4 is 16, and x to power 2 and 4, 4 twos are 8. Lot of algebra here. And square of a separate and square of x separate. It means a to power 2 over x to power 2. And now check 63. And 6C3 is, you know it, 20, 20. And here, you know, 2 to power 3 give you 8. And power to power multiply, I get x to power 6. And 3 goes upper power separate, a to power 3 by x to power 3 down. And now I think I can simplify easily. I got 64 x to power 12. And what is here? 6 twos are 12, 1 carry, and 18, 192. 192 out of x to power 10, 1x gone, I get x to power 9. And hold on, I write a also. I repeat, because x to power 10 up, x to power 1 down, power subtracts. Basically, what is the rule? All of you know x to power 6 or x to power 4. Upper power and lower power subtract. This is a basic rule. That is why some students confuse here. Maybe, okay, I think point's clear. Now let's go with this one. So 15 times to 16 is giving us 240. 240. 240 is coming from here, and a to power 2 coming as it is. And out of 6 to subtract, because 1 up, 1 down, I got 6. And here I got 160, and a cube come before, and out of 6, 3 gone, I to power, I got x to power 3. And now, as he said, x cube, x6 coefficients are equal. See, marks are 4. That is why so lengthy. And I'm writing here as x6 coefficient equals to x3 coefficient is given by him. So what I can say here, x6 coefficient is this, is plugging it here. So 240 a to power 2. And x cube coefficient is this, 160 a to power 3. And this a square goes under it, and this 160 go on other side. Logic is very clear. A cube by a square. Out of 3, 2 gone, I got single a. And 240 by 160, and 0 0 cancel, and a 3s are a 2s are. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. So I got finally 3 by 2 answer of A. That is okay. Clear. Let's go talk about this question. He's asking, give me x coefficient of 6 in this product. And you know, you saw this is, it means the previous part is very important. And this is same. So I will choose all these terms here. And let's start. First of all, 64, x to power 12, then 192 a and x to power 9, then 240 a to power 2, x to power 6, then 160 a to power 3 and x to power 3, and dot dot dot. And now we can see from here that x to power coefficient, how comes? This multiply with this, I get x to power 6, no benefit. This multiply x to power 9, no benefit. This multiply with this will get x to power 6. So 1 into that, so 240 a to power 2, x to power 6. I'm writing only x to power 6 terms, involving terms. And x cube multiply with x cube will give you x to power 6, because 3 plus 3 is 6. So this multiply with that. So negative into positive, negative. Wait a minute, it's negative. And 160 a to power 3, x to power 6. Now this a value, because he talk about coefficient, so leave every x. So leave x to power 6, this leave it. So I will get 240 a to power 2 minus 160 a to power 3. I will simply plug in this value 3 by 2 and 3 by 2 and type in my calculator like this. Like this. 3 by 2. And when I type in calculator, let me type. So 240 into 3 divided by 2 and power is 2. Negative 160 into 3 divided by 2 and power is 3. And answer is coming 0. So Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen. So point is very, very clear. I hope so. Concept is also clear.